in your hot water. Look at that. Look at that. It's hot, right? So transfer your hot water. Then I have to first of all use this big filter. This is the shaft. Now I have to use my sieve. What we do. You can save it in your fridge or any place you think is safe enough till tomorrow, so that this is the next day. Look at that. See, the oil is very strong now. It's already taking out the oil. You have to make sure the heat of your gas is very low to avoid burning the oil. See, it's frying really nice. This is how we want it. As you can see, the oil is already separated, so we have to leave it for a few more minutes. Alright guys, look at the result. Wow, it's really turning out very nice. Look at the oil, it's pure white. This is the reason why you don't have to allow smoke to come out of it. Smoke coming out doesn't mean that it's burning. So you have to wash careful and always put your eye while frying your coconut oil. You have to make sure you are very vigilant to avoid burning your oil. As you can see, my oil is pure white. Look at that. So just keep on. Look at the results. Wow, just like water, it's very white. So it's very nice. So my sieve, so just add it like that. So I want it out very fast, so I couldn't do it. I just have to force it just gently if you are using paper. So you have. Alright guys, this is our coconut oil. Today is actually my first time of doing it, so wow, I'm so happy with the outcome. Look at that. This is so nice. If today is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell for more interesting video. Thanks guys for watching. Love you all.